Effects of disaster: collapsing of bridges, flooding of coastal villages, shortage of food are some of the effects of floods. So people are forced to leave their homes and livelihood and go to safer places because their homes are submerged in water. Collapsing of houses, developing cracks in land are some of the effects of earthquake. Disasters like forest fire and drought also adversely affect the environment. Disasters definitely affect the economy of the country. Effect is always relative to disaster and economy. That is, if any port is destroyed, there are long-lasting effects on economy due to huge expenses on its reconstruction. An effect of disaster on leadership is that if local leadership is not strong enough, citizens become confused. So local leadership, that is the local leaders, should be strong enough. They must be able to convince the people that the things will be fine and they are under control. They must carry out the rehabilitation programs with the help of the locals, and they should convince the people that the government is taking appropriate steps for the betterment. So leadership, especially the local leadership, must be very, very strong. Administrative problems arise during the disaster. If local governing bodies are affected by disasters, related departments cannot answer the problems of disaster efficiently. So if the administration itself is a victim of the disaster, in that case, they are unable to solve the queries of the sufferers. All the concerned departments are affected by disaster and thereby entire system collapses. So these are some of the effects of disaster. In this block diagram, we have been given the effects of disaster on various factors. Let us see what are the effects of disaster on various factors. Firstly, economy of the country. Sudden increase in fund expenditure, shortage of funds for development of other sectors, decrease in productivity. So these are the effects of a disaster on the economy of the country as a whole. Secondly, we have the social factor, mental health issues, citizens confused and stressed, unemployment, crime and theft. So many of these social factors we have seen during the COVID-19, especially mental health issues, because people were left locked in their homes for several months alone. Unemployment was also seen with respect to especially the migrant workers. So this was the effect of a disaster on the social fabric of the country. Environmental, partial or complete collapsing of buildings, drying out of water resources, contamination of water, stinky pollution of environment due to decomposing corpses, that is dead bodies of humans and other animals. Then we have the administrative and professional factor, stress on workers, collapsing of transport system, shortage of facilities, etc. Political aspect, entire system of the country collapses, unrest among people, government that was in power is voted out and protests. Lastly, we have the medical factor, injuries, emotional, mental stress, increase in epidemics, death of victims. So these are the various factors that we have seen here, and what is the effect of disaster on the various sectors in a country have been listed here. We can relate to many of these with respect to the condition that we have been experiencing with respect to COVID-19 in last 1 year. So we will stop our session today here itself, and on Monday we will be continuing further. Thank you.